style, bringing it back to the 90s, and I'm here for it, okay? This style is like the quickest hairstyle that you've ever done. It's going to save you so much time. It only come with 4 steps. Put your hair into a ponytail, insert the comb, clip in the clips, you done. That's it. And on top of that, it's going to save you so much money. This is a 2-in-1 ponytail. That means it comes with a ponytail and it comes with a bang already attached to the ponytail. That's less styling for you to do, period. Get it done, be done with it, that's it, period. That's all you gotta do. My style card together, y'all kind of, y'all like, what we got going on here? So this is a 2-in-1 bang top pony, the hump for volume. So this is the style TBP-JACK, color FS1B 30. Basically just an all natural 1B mixed in with a hint of 30, as you guys can kind of see. This is a bang. I love this look in the front. It's giving more of a low cut. It kind of looks like a mullet. That's the reason why I really love this hairstyle. I love how it was just so easy to style, y'all. Whenever you are styling this hair, make sure y'all put your ponytail at least here. You got to give your bang enough room space to attach the bang. I attached the bang on this side, but you guys can see the excitement in my face. I just could not believe this. Less than 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes. Who can style their hair in less than 10 minutes and look just like this? This style is giving 90. Come on, 2024. They did give it a lot of volume. Don't even give it twist. But either way it goes, I still look good. No matter what's going on. I can make anything look good, and I love this hairstyle. As you guys can kind of see, I can't even stop playing this bang. The hair texture, amazing, soft. It's giving 90s vibes, and I'm here for it, bitch. I'm here for this 90s vibe look. Come on now, come on. Leave it alone, Tika. Leave your hands out your hair, okay, girl? Stop touching your hair. But you guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. What you guys think about this look. A look in less than 10 minutes, your edges are thinning. Who gonna tell that your edges are thinning on the side? Nobody will be able to tell. Come on, baby. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll make sure I leave the style and the color of this exact look for you. And find this style at your local beauty supply store, and if they don't carry it, you better contact them and tell them and be like, look, you gotta carry TBP-JACK, color 1B30. Come on now. Alright, you guys, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye, you guys. Peace.